So now I'm talking about deep learning. Deep learning is a very exciting field. Like machine learning, it solves many recognitions, classifications, analyzing problems from different domains: computational biologist, computer vision, natural language processing, market data, and many others. So, one of the most recent hot fields is deep learning in the world. The main idea of deep learning is how human brain learns. So, in traditional neural network systems, here information, some activation functions is used, and error back propagation algorithms are used for propagating errors in back and adjusting the weights, and the learning process is one after another. In deep learning techniques, the learning schema is the learning is to be different. So in deep learning, there are mainly learning by representations. So what is learning by representations? Uh, some input data in the low layer, we think, and the next upper layer, the information is passed by some functions, uh, and some latent features are extracted in this upper layer, and this hidden layer output, this layer output is considered as input layer for the next layer, and in this way informations are processed in hierarchical fashions, and many useful features is learned, uh, and thus meets the human brain learning process. uh, this in supervised functional learning commits rich representations of high dimensional data without any prior knowledge, and this techniques overcomes the problems of designing encrypted facades, which are used in traditional machine learning algorithms. And we should not think about how the planning algorithms learn from the semi-structured, unstructured data, but it automatically fitted. But there is some considerations which methods is uh, fit for which problem, which deep learning domain, which problem is fitted. This is considerations for solving some problems by deep learning techniques. So the main features of deep learning is that it uses some unsupervised functionalized techniques in learn by without taking any prior knowledge, the abstraction, the representations of the features uh, in the input data. So applications. Computer vision is a field where deep learning is brought. Deep learning brought revolutionary changes, successful results like image recognitions, image segmentations, medical imagings, and to filter images from many web noisy images, many web images, random images, and some practical applications in productions are used in Facebook, Google, and many other world-renowned uh, companies' projects. And speech recognitions. Deep learning has a unique contribution is in the speech recognition problem. Traditional Gaussian mixed models are used, and lot of errors are eliminated by the deep learning approaches like deep network computational neural networks. Computational biology. In computational biology, uh, that are increasing exponentially day by day, and biologists are uh, very interested to solve to understand the hidden meaning of data. And deep learning will be a great choice for computational biologists to solve many open problems in biological domains. And computational neuroscience, in this field, today's the most exciting thing in the world, the modern technology to understand the human how brain learns, and try to deploy this mechanism to many other fields like deep learning, and some methods will be introduced to under, understand and deploy the goal of AI. And in computational neuroscience, the applications of deep learning nothing but analyzes the data from underst from neural that uh, bring different brain signals related to biomedical signalings in market analysis. So to analyze the market data to understand the current status of market, the share market status, the the price, the interested of customers to the products, and many other things. Natural language processing like OS semantic analysis, sentimental analysis, and translations, and in many natural language processing problems are today solved by deep learning algorithms. Um, and in robotics, so we know about Google's self-driven car. This is the application of deep learning projects, deep learning methods, and today a lot of things for personal optimization, search engines, and Google Brain, like Google Brain projects, Facebook's AI groups, and by the research are based on deep learning techniques to analyze the data to build sophisticated software that meets the challenges of learning from the web and many other unsolved and interesting problems in big data domain. In the next lecture series, we dive into many different deep learning algorithms and their applications and techniques. Thanks.